Good afternoon, magandang hapon to all our viewers, especially to our student participants live through Zoom right now. This is your host, JL, and today we have a very special topic and an equally special guest that will be of great interest to not only our student participants, but hopefully everyone who will be watching this short segment as well. Now, one of the current local technological advancements that has taken the forefront in various news outlets in recent years is the Agapay project by an amazing team of Filipinos that is funded by the Philippine Council for Health and Research and the development of the Department of Science and Technology. To speak more about this innovative project, we have invited the creative and brilliant head of this project herself. Let us all welcome Dr. Liz Kay. To all our student participants on Zoom right now, let's give her a round of applause. Hello, good morning, Dr. Liz.
Hello, good morning, Miss J. It's a pleasure to be here, and I'm happy to be invited as a guest speaker in your channel.
No, thank you for accepting our invitation. We are very honored to have you here, and I'm very excited to hear about such an amazing and ingenious local project. And I'm equally excited to share this with our viewers today. Now, shall we go straight to business?
Sure, why not? um, let's dive straight into it. After all the different phases we went through and years of testing, I am honestly very excited as well to share this with you all today.
Perfect. Now, the Agapay project, I heard, is a technological innovation on the field of medicine, a robotic exoskeleton used for rehabilitation. Can you tell us more about this? How does this work exactly?
Okay, it's basically a 3D printed wearable robot that is biometrically designed to account for all the movements of the upper limbs. It is made for injured and post-stroke patients, and it provides them with a great performing rehabilitation system that is also cost efficient at the same time. It assists them with motor movements in their shoulder, arm, and hand. And it's a robotic exoskeleton that is used during the therapy exercises and is very user friendly and comfortable to wear. The frame is adjustable and very lightweight. It is safe and is capable of recording neuromuscular activity. So, with it, you can do both active and passive motion exercises through gamification using integrated haptics and the graphical user interface.
That is absolutely spectacular. Truly, I do think we have gone a long way with our progress in technology. I'm also very proud to know that our Filipino inventors continue to thrive and are basically able to bring their brilliant ideas and plans into fruition, especially since medical advancements like this are very beneficial and is of great necessity to any country. I do hope that more local projects like these are funded by the government to inspire our next generation of inventors in the country. Another question I would like to ask is, how was this technology, this robotic exoskeleton developed, or how was the development process to this project? Can you tell us more or expound further about that?
Okay, so for the development of this project, we had the three phases. Actually, it's four now, but the fourth is more on technology transfer and manufacturing side as opposed to the actual development or creation of the project. To make sure of the clinical significance of our device, we linked with medical practitioners. And so in our team, we have medical doctors from the development of rehabilitation medicine in UP. So basically, phase one is for the product design and prototyping. Phase two was when we did the safety tests and preclinical studies. And phase three when actual clinical trials took place. The first phase took 18 months in total from March 2016 to August 2017. The second one took around 16 months from December 2017 to April 2019. And of course, the last phase, the third phase for the development of this project, it was tested for 6 months from January to July 2021. And after its success, here we are now.
Wow, it definitely took a long time, but our wait and your hard work was definitely all worth it. Now with us, Dr. Liz, is our student participants, a group of aspiring inventors. And as much as we would like to accommodate all of their questions, unfortunately, we are pressed for time. However, we do have a few more minutes to spare for at least one or two questions. Does anyone have any questions to ask Dr. Liz regarding their innovative project? Wow, let's go with Claire. Hi, Claire, how are you? Claire, I think you're muted, Claire.
Sorry. I'm really doing great. Thank you. I'm very happy to be here too and to hear about this inspiring project.
I'm so glad to hear about that. What would you like to ask our guest speaker for today, Claire?
I just wanted to know from Dr. Liz's perspective, what need in the society is addressed by this project, and also how does she think it will further develop or progress in the future?
That is a remarkable question. I'm actually very interested to know as well what Dr. Liz has in mind for this project in the future, as well as the needs of the society that the Agape project addresses. Dr. Liz?
Yes, Jay. First of all, thank you, Claire, for asking that question. I think it is very important for us to continue advancing in technology, especially ones that are made for the field of medicine. There are many improvements that can be made, and much growth needs to be done with what we currently have, especially since we are a developing country and may be considered by others as less advanced. One of the great things about this project is that it is cost efficient and therefore is more accessible to many people. Advancements in medical technology such as these can lead to faster recovery rate and would greatly help post-stroke and injured people. As for your additional question regarding how I think it will progress in the future, I think it could be a great opportunity for many of our Filipino investors in many fields of science, such as manufacturing, engineering, electronics and communications, and physics that would serve as a gateway for more medical advancements in technology. Many improvements can also be made to the actual system, and hopefully by then it would also be further expanded to other parts of the body as well, and not just the upper limbs. Was I able to answer your question well, Claire?
Yes, Dr. Liz, thank you so much. I'm highly inspired and motivated by your innovation. I hope I can be part of amazing project such as this as well.
Wow, we hope so too. Thank you so much, Claire, and to all the students watching live right now through Zoom. And thank you to Dr. Liz as well for taking part in our short segment for today. That concludes our Science, Technology, and Society episode 3. We hope you guys learned a lot today. Feel free to check out more about the Agape project. Links to it are on the description box below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and we hope you have a wonderful day. Well, just before you guys hopefully leave a like and subscribe and continue scrolling down YouTube Shorts, it's quiz time. If you really have reached the end of this video and listened to our short segment, this should be relatively easy. There will be 3 questions in total, multiple choice form or type, and you can write down the answers or the letters corresponding to your answers in the comment section down below. Are y'all ready? Question number 1. What is the name of the project talked about in this video? A. The Akbay Project. B. The Akibat Project. C. The Agapay Project. Or D. The Agrui Project. I'll give you 5 seconds to choose an answer before our second question. Next question. This project is a technological innovation in the field of A. Agriculture, B. Medicine, C. Tourism, or D. music? Again, I'll give you all 5 seconds to think about the answer before we move on to the third and last question. Last question for today. What country is this project from? A. Papua New Guinea, B. Mexico, C. Thailand, or D. Philippines? Time's up. And that's it for today's pop quiz time. Do share your answers down below, and the very first one who gets everything correct will get a mini shout out on our next video in this channel. Et voilà, bye bye, for real this time guys. See you in the next video.